was collected for a sample of organic snacks. The amount of sugar in milligrams in each snack is summarized in the histogram below. This is a histogram. So a histogram is basically a bar chart. So they use the word histogram, but we more commonly would call it a bar graph or a bar chart. Same thing, basically. So which statement best describes the meaning of one of the bars in the histogram? All right, so we want to read these statements. So this is just a, hey, can you generally read the histogram and make sense out of what's being said? Let's take a look. So which one, only one of these will be true. Which of these best describes the meaning? All right, 210 snacks have between 200 and 220 milligrams of sugar. Is that true? Is the bar graph, the histogram, saying that? 210 snacks. Well, we better come up and read this to make sure. What is this thing saying? Well, look down here, amount of sugar, and look over here, frequency. Now, we've had frequency before. What does frequency always mean? You remember, frequency means number of values. Number of values. Or the number of times. How about that? Number of times that something happens, or number of values. In other words, for these different snacks, so this is 2 right here. So this must be 3. So this bar right here, let me be clear what that bar right there means. That means that there are 3 snacks among all the snacks out there. You know, this is a sample of organic snacks. So 3 of the organic snacks have between 120 and 140 milligrams of sugar. They're the lowest sugar snacks in this group of snacks we're looking at, right? You see what that's saying? 3 snacks. Why 3? Because the bar comes up halfway between 2 and 4, right? So, and remember, this bar, the vertical axis here is number of times, or probably even better, specifically, I could say number of snacks in this case. So how about the next bar? So this bar right here, what does this mean? 4 snacks have between 140 and 160 milligrams of sugar in them, right? You getting it, etc.? So like I could do, let me just jump to this big one here. What is this saying? 14 snacks have between 180 and 200 milligrams of sugar in them, don't they? Etc. So that is what that bar graph is saying. Let's look down and see which of these statements are true. Is it true that 210 snacks? No, the most snacks we have is 14. There's not 210, that's craziness. No. All right, next statement. The largest number of snacks have 14 milligrams of sugar. Is that true? No, these guys the lowest amount of sugar is 120, not 14. That's wacko. That's crazy. All right, next one. 210, again, 210 snacks. There's not 210 snacks up there. That's craziness. The biggest bar has 14 snacks. Next one. 8 snacks have about 210 milligrams of sugar. Is that true? 8 snacks hits right here between 200 and 220. Yeah, 210 is about the middle. You know, it's about, it just says about, you know, it doesn't have to be exact. It's about 210, you know, between 200 and 220, 8 snacks. Yes, the bar graph is saying that. It's saying there's 8 snacks in the group that have around 210 milligrams of sugar. That's true. That is what the bar graph is saying. Does that make sense? Questions on that one? No calculator needed. Just read the graph.